2.
Hi everyone, I'm Heidi and I'm in the Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen sponsored by TSET, and I am with Chef Val from the OUTU School of Community Medicine, as well as Julie is joining us from TSET today. Thank you. Yeah. And I'm going to just let Val jump right into it. And what are we making today?
Okay, so we're celebrating Father's Day by making some oat pancakes with a blueberry compote. So to maybe lower the sugar level, and sometimes you might be used to slathering on some of the pancake syrup.
All the syrup and everything.
So we're gonna make a blueberry compote in just a few minutes. You all,
okay.
So we already have some oat pancake mix mixed up, that homemade recipe, and it's in the pan right here.
Okay. Perfect, that sounds good. And tell us a little bit about TSET. Why is this important?
Yeah, so Oklahoma has one of the higher rates of adult obesity and childhood obesity, and so it's really important mission for TSET to have useful resources that families can see and use with very little effort. ShapeYourFutureOK.com is going to have recipes, have tips for hydrating during these summer months, and ways that you can have your favorite treat, but also sneak in some berries and cut down a little bit on your sugar. So every little bit helps.
Right, all those little small steps can make a big difference.
Absolutely.
And you're not taking away from the fact that you can have pancakes on Father's Day. Or any little special treat, you're just throwing in a few healthy little tips. So going with that, with the blueberry compote, what are you doing over there?
Okay, so you could use fresh blueberries since they are in season, but we're using frozen blueberries because they are a little more affordable sometimes. Just kind of depends, but you can make it all year long. So we have a little bit of water, a little bit of maple syrup. You could use any kind of sugar that you want to use, any kind of sweetener.
So you're getting that little taste.
Yeah, but certainly nothing compared to like a pancake syrup.
Right, that you would buy at a store.
And then you don't have to add this, but the lemon zest really gives it such a great flavor. And you're just gonna reduce this. You're gonna bring it to a bubble and let it reduce, and then when it gets finished, you're gonna have this lovely blueberry compote. So if you all would like to...
I mean, that alone looks delicious. Like I could just scoop it right up.
You could use that for a lot of different things. You could use it for jelly and on your peanut butter and jelly sandwiches.
Oh, true.
Yeah, so it's a lot more fruit than you would get in just a regular jelly and low sugar, but you wouldn't know it. It still has plenty of sweetness.
Where there's the sweetness, but you're getting a lot more substance to it too, I feel like.
Right.
All right, we get to taste. I'm excited.
Do it.
Celebrate.
So sorry, Val.
That's right.
Gotta get into it. And blueberry is a super fruit. So.
I know, and I love all the color because it just makes it pretty too. Oh my goodness, those are really good.
Good.
They are very good. I'll quick whip it up here in case anyone wants to see it after we've taken our bite.
Excellent, I can attest.
But if you want to learn more about this recipe and a lot more healthy tips, go ahead and go to KJRH.com.